Hi, this is Chase. I'm going to show you how we can upload a JSON file once you have downloaded it from our templates import page. Once you have downloaded your JSON template, we can see right here on my desktop, inside of your Rubex application, you're going to go to your menu tab under admin, and under your admin you have your utilities tab with your account template import. So we're going to select that, and it's going to ask us to browse for our file. One thing to be assured of is you do have to be an admin to import, so be aware of that. But we're going to browse for our file. We know that it's on our desktop here, so I'm going to go and find that JSON file. We have that template import here. We're going to go ahead and hit open, and then from there it's going to tell us that it is imported successfully. From here we can go back to our admin tab, check out our templates here, and we now have this 1-test with our new template inside of here that we can now go and apply to our locations. So that's how you're going to be able to, once downloaded a JSON file, be able to import it into your Rubex software to then use going forward.